Okay, in our today's topic, we will talk about identities. There are basic three types of identities in basic algebraic math. First identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means that you multiply a plus b with a plus b again. This tends to be lengthy, therefore the result is a square plus 2ab plus b square. How do we get this result? Let's take this down step by step. When we write a plus b multiply by a plus b, first you multiply a with a, you get a square. Then you multiply a with b, you get plus ab. Then you multiply again b with a, you get plus ba. Remember that ab and ba both mean the same thing. And then eventually you multiply b with b. Therefore you get b square. Hence you can write this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Moving on to part 2, the other identity is a minus b whole square. This identity is same as the previous one, but the difference is there of one sign. In this case, you multiply a minus b with a minus b. The result tends to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if you were to take this down step by step, I will write a minus b multiplied by a minus b. A multiplied by a is a square. A multiplied by minus b is minus ab. Minus b multiplied by a is minus ba. And minus b multiplied by minus b is equals to plus b square. Therefore you can say a square. As both signs are same, you would add the numbers and the sign would be common. Therefore minus 2ab plus b square. Lastly, our identity is a square minus b square, and the result tends to be a plus b and a minus b. Now we will solve this step by step. How do we get a plus b and a minus b? First of all, if I were to multiply a plus b with a minus b, a multiplied by a is equals to a square. A multiplied by minus b is minus ab. B multiplied by a is plus ab, and b multiplied by minus b is equals to minus b square. Hence you would get a square. Both of these would be cancelled out and remainder would be minus b square. Moving on to the questions. Now we will solve this question in practicality. As I told you that the expansion of such type of an identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this case you would consider a as 3x and you would consider b as 7y. Therefore, what is the square of 3x? The square of 3x is 9x squared plus 2 multiplied by a, which is 3x, multiplied by b, which is 7y, plus 7y whole square. 7y square whole square is equals to 49y square. Therefore 9x square plus 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. 42xy plus 49y square. Another example is of 2x plus 3y whole square. You will write 2x whole square plus 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 3y plus 3y whole square. 2x whole square is equals to 4x square plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12xy plus 3y whole square is 9y square. Moving on to the second type of identity. In this case you would consider a as a and b as 5b. Therefore a whole square minus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by 5b plus minus 5b whole square. Therefore your answer would be a square minus 2 multiplied by a is a and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 minus 10ab plus the square of minus 5 is 25 plus 25b square. Moving on to part 5, you would consider a as 2a and b as minus 3b. Therefore 2a whole square minus 2, you would take 2a multiply by 3b plus minus 3b whole square. Therefore 2a whole square is 4a square, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, minus 12ab plus 3b whole square is 9b square. Now let's move on to the third identity, which is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b bracket a minus b. In this case we can say that a is equals to a and b is equals to 4. Therefore in this case the factorization would be a plus 2, because the under root of a squared is a and the under root of 4 is 2, multiplied by a minus 2. Moving on to the second question. In this case the question is 16 minus b square. Under root of 16 is 4, therefore 4 minus and under root of b is b bracket under root of 4, under root of 16 and plus under root of b square plus 4b. This is you have factorized. That's all.